When a disabled individual turns 18, they're deemed to be a competent adult just like anybody else. There are times when a power of attorney is very helpful for the individual with disabilities, in that perhaps they're not completely incapacitated but maybe need a little bit of help along the way. This might allow an individual, perhaps a parent, to authorize certain types of medical treatment if the individual is unable to communicate, but most importantly, the individual has to understand what a power of attorney is in order to execute that power of attorney. If the individual is incapable of understanding what a power of attorney is, then a guardianship might be required. Guardianship is the legal process by which an individual is totally and completely in control of the individual with disabilities, as far as their estate as well as their person. If no planning is done for an individual who turns 18 and they are deemed a competent adult, very oftentimes you run into issues with healthcare specifically. For instance, your disabled child's in the hospital and needs medical treatment. At that point, no one is authorized to make those decisions other than the disabled individual because they are deemed to be a competent adult. This can create multitude of problems for individuals, families. It can create a lot of strife in that they don't understand why they're not able to make the decisions for their child as they were just before their 18th birthday. This is why planning just before an individual turns 18 is incredibly important.